So as you can see, I was able to connect my PlayStation 5 here to my PC and there's no lag whatsoever. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So the first thing you need to do is to go into Google, search for OBS and click right here on the OBS Studio. You will need to get it if you don't have it already on your PC. So either if you have a Windows, Mac or Linux, it doesn't matter, just get that specific software. And once you have gotten the software, you will then also need one of those magic devices here called a video capture card. So this right here makes it possible to be able to actually stream your gameplay from PlayStation 5 to your PC or laptop. Without this, it's not possible because basically your computer will not recognize it. Because the computer is an output, so we will need a video capture device to make it an input instead, if that makes sense. So you can see now it's connected. So one of the ends of HDMI goes to your PlayStation 5 at the back, the other end goes to your game capture card and then insert it into your PC or laptop here, as you can see. So once you have done this and you also have an OBS Studio downloaded here, I'm just gonna open it up here real quick and show you exactly how everything works. So now on OBS, click on the plus symbol in the bottom left corner, then click on Video Capture Device, click on OK, and click on Device, and click on your video capture card. Scroll down and click where it says Audio Output Mode, set it to Desktop Audio, click on OK. Now right click, and then click on Open Source Projector and then Display here, to be able to get the entire display, as you can see. Pretty awesome. I don't experience any lag whatsoever here, as you can see. It's pretty perfect in my opinion. By the way guys, if you want to be able to get this specific video capture device, I was able to find one that is cheap and also works perfect. I have left a link for it down below, and yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's an Amazon affiliate link, just so you know.